What the bro? Making a tutorial again? So guys, we are inside our sample project. Pinch out to zoom into timeline. Now if we play our video, what the bro? Making a tutorial again? As you can see, we have a F word around this point. So this is our starting point. To mute or censor it, select the clip, split it. Now move to the end point. Split, select the middle part, volume, reduce it to 0 to mute the part. Now if we play it again, what the bro? See, there is no more F word. Finally, for the beep sound, go to the starting point, go to music, my music, local music, search for beep. Tap to hear the preview. You can download it from the video description, or we can use the built-in beep sounds. Press on use to import the audio. Adjust the beep sound length, volume, and we are done. What the bro? Making a tutorial again? So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.